today's video, we're going to talk about our assignment of electronic 2 is about to create or design an active filter circuit. So within this video, you can see that we are using a cell and key active filter, which is a high pass active filter, and we are going to use 3-phase AC generator, which consists of 30 volt of 30 volt for V in. So for the active filter itself, we're going to use 0.01 nanofarad for both capacitors, and we're going to use 22 kilo ohm for both resistors. For the voltage in for up amp, we're going to use 15 volts. So right now, I'm going to show you the results of we're going to run the simulation. We need to change the edit simulation CMD, and we need to select for the transient, and we don't need to change. The only thing we change is the stop time to 1 amp. THD for the circuit. So you can see for the V in, the graph is not as structural within if you use the normal AC source for LTSpice. And now I'm going to show you the V out of it. We can see that the shape and the period, the length of the period for both negative and positive 14 volt is the same, and you can see the difference between the V in and V out. Their oscillation, their harmonic is very different. So here we can conclude that V in is non-harmonic and V out is harmonic. If we're going to look for the graph for the voltage stability and the limit response, we need to change the edit simulator CMD. So for here, we're going to use AC analysis, and the type sweep is linear, number of points 100, the start frequency is 1, and the stop frequency is 1000 K. So for the next graph I'm going to show you is about the stability for our circuit. As we can see here, there's two lines, which is one green and one blue. The green one is for the V in, which is for the non-harmonic. Technically it's before the filter, and the V out one is after the filter. So in this graph, we haven't put any load yet, so we can check for the stability for both V in and V out. So on this part, we can see we have added two resistors, which is R3 and R4, which is 1 megahertz, 1 mega ohm. The R3 and R4 is represent for the load and to check the dynamic response for the active filter. And now we can see the graph, which is the V1 is for before the active filter and V2 is after the active filter. So that's all for me today. As we can see, we have created a 3-phase AC generator with a cell key high filter that are working fabulously without any error, and I hope that this video can give you a bit in depth of active filters on high pass. That's all for me. Thank you.